is Eva from Focus Machinery again. Today I'm going to introduce our screws packing machine. This packing machine is fully automatic. It's to pack the long screws which can up to be 150 millimeters in large carton. Each carton can up to be 30 kg per carton. The packing speed is about 2 boxes per minute. Now let me show you the details. Let's start from the elevator first. Since the beginning of the packing machine is to transport the product to the vibrating feeder. The worker put the very large hopper on this roller conveyor. City can up to be 1 turn in one go. Next conveyor is the 2 sets of vibrating feeder. This magnetic inclined conveyor is different from other common belt conveyor because as long as we start this conveyor, it uses the magnetic function to transport the screws. This is not a common wire because you can see the thickness of plate is very thick, and the wire is strong enough to handle the fasteners. And you can see this linear pant is the V shape because the screws is very long, and if we use the flat type, it's too heavy to bear the weight. So we use the V shape and protect the linear pant better, and the shelf life is longer. This is the carton erector. Here, people need to put about 100 to 200 pieces of empty box here. After the box erector, we come to the box filling machine. It drops the screws into this box after the wire, and then it keep going straight. You can see the packing situation is in the same direction, so it can pack more and it's safe. Okay, and the next step is the check wire. If the weight is overweight or shortage weight, wire will alarm and remind your people to check the situation. You can take it away or just put some screws or just take some screws out of the carton so it can keep going on. And the next station is the box filling machine. It's a very easy and simple machine. And the last station is the labeling machine. The label is on the side of the carton. Let me show you the inside of the control box. This we call it VFD, frequency inverter. Is to control the speed of each conveyor. So the speed of conveyor is variable, and this knob is to adjust the speed of the vibrating feeder. Those two vibrating feeder and the magnetic inclined